Is any of it looking red?
No, it looks all orange.
Yep, that's what I'm afraid of.
You're gonna look like a whole bunch of bags of hot Cheetos,
Hey Loc family, it's your girl Soph B here, and in honor of Haitian Heritage Month, I decided that now would be the perfect time to go ahead and attempt coloring my hair red. Although I may have fallen off a little bit on the Haitian Heritage Month videos, no time like the present to teach you guys a little bit about my culture. So the color that I'll be using today is the Creme of Nature Intensive Red. I made sure to purchase 2 boxes, and I wanted to have enough to part my hair into sections and get as much coverage as possible. For those of you who may not know, the Haitian flag consists of 1 horizontal blue band and 1 horizontal red band. The white in the center holds the coat of arms, which contains a palm tree, flags, 2 cannons, and a scroll bearing the Haitian motto, Union fait la force, which means unity makes strength. The Haitian flag has changed from blue and red to black and red, back to blue and red again over the course of different presidencies. Although 90% of Haitians use Creole as their primary language, Haiti and Canada are the only 2 independent nations in the Americas that have French as their official language. For those of you who may be curious about just how Haiti really looks, just know that tourism is one of the largest industries in Haiti, with nearly 1 million visitors arriving by cruise ships. Alright you guys, that was just a few little interesting tidbits about the Haitian culture. So now back to the hair color. I did end up using the second Creme of Nature box, and I left the color in my hair for a little over 40 minutes, not by much though. And to my surprise, when I rinsed it out, I knew it wasn't going to be actually intense red, but the look on my face says it all. Just a quick FYI, because I knew I had every intention on coloring my hair, I wanted to leave enough new growth. So only the first 2 rows of my hairline had been retightened when I had did this because I went out of town. I wasn't completely pleased with how the hair color came out. It was a little bit more orange than I thought. So let's just say I'm currently not a redhead.
I'm talking to you.
Oh my goodness.
Listen.
What?
Don't be taking your bra off and now let me see you take your bra off. You hear me?
You know I'm recording,
You hear me? You don't know what world you think. I don't care about a camera, bruh.
Okay.
Okay? We good?
We great.
You sure?
We're great.
I don't want this to be happening again, bro.
Oh, you took your glasses.
Yeah, I took the glasses off.
Let me record.
I'm dead serious, man.
You want me to put it back on?
No, I'm just saying. Creating problems and I have to go.
I'm not editing this out, just so you know.
I don't care. They need to know too.
Really? What
Everybody need to know.
What they need?
That don't happen here.
Really?